Doing a little review. This is a Ford Explorer ignition with a h72 PT key, and the problem with this key, if you see the sidebar, it's in all the way, and I have it keyed correctly. I'm missing one tumbler, but see how it's sticking up there? But if I pull it back, the sidebar goes down. Do it again. Pull it back, sidebar goes down. So what's happening is this key is wore out, but it's wore out on the tip. So what I did is I got the measurements from the tumblers here, wrote them down. I pulled it up to make sure it is a valid code in the computer. Let's see, there we go. Which is a 0640X code. And then I'm gonna cut it on my Miracle machine here. I got my blank 72. So we're gonna go over to the Miracle software. Let's see, let's see. Okay, I got it in there. And we gotta change the cutter. I got the decoder on it right now. Set the phone down for 1 second. Cutter installed there. Oops. Pick up my tracer. I want to jam up on that. Okay. And we're just gonna go here. Got the code all in there. And we're just gonna hit start key cutter. It's telling us put in position 4. I already did that. We're gonna hit OK. That's going to cut the key. Yeah, this machine's a great machine. It, especially for stuff like this, where you're gonna have to cut it by code in order to straighten a key out. It just saves the day every time. Okay. Let's stick this in here. Make sure there's no burrs on it. If you see the sidebar, which is flat, pop it out. Perfect. So now we can put this back together for the customer and we'll program this new key. Now his old key will work, but he would have to pull it out a little bit. It's just because it's worn down and his ignition was worn. This key actually stopped working in his ignition, so we're putting a new ignition in. But anyways, that is the Miracle A7 Plus, and that's cutting a Ford h72 PT key to code. Signing off.